Greetings and good day. This is Christopher Fries here at Fries Forge, and this is Frankenforge, my newly finished Frankenforge with the ribbon burner that I've always wanted, and it works. And so now we're able to get back into forging because I was trying to limp along with this broken ass piece of junk that I got from Russia when I first started blacksmithing, and now I've got this. So today we're going to be building a very, very special, custom designed by myself rope dart for one instructor Bensi, a very cool dude from TikTok. Well, he's not from TikTok, he makes content on TikTok. He's from the United States. But I digress. Let's get started. It runs on a tiny smidgen of the propane that it used to run on, with just a little fan running instead. Look at that. As the forge heats up, all of these little burners will start igniting their fuel right away, and then we'll have a beautiful block of fire cascading down. It's going to heat up our steel very well. Got it hot. Let's hit it hard. Oh, this is a nice big chunk of steel. I can finally get it hot enough to be able to forge it properly. Sure it's still cool enough to touch. This bar's gonna get hot quickly. Too cold. You can see the difference in the heat? Maybe you can, maybe you can't. It's not as bright as it was, right? It's important to keep everything as straight as you can, because once it starts twisting, it's hard to get untwisted. That is beautiful. That has turned out great. I like it. I like it so far. Ninja weapons. Well, Kung Fu ninja weapons, I guess. Go. We're getting pretty close to where we want to be. I'm going to cut off now. A little bit. First thing we got to do is mark where we're going to cut. Should be right about there. This is all by feel, all by eye. Hey, look at all that scale bouncing off there. Whew. My goodness. This is called hot cutting, for I would presume obvious reasons. Through now. The big one. Well done, Concord. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is looking super nice.
Now see, that tip is getting quite cool. Back here is all still very hot. I could work back here if I chose, but I would put stress in the tip, and I don't want that. Less yak yak, more whack whack. My goodness, now that's looking pretty nice. Come on, I can risk one little. There we go, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. Okay, turn this around. Work on the rope end. We're gonna go there. Bloody hell, that was hot. So we're going to do it again. Very important that it be centered. Shoe fly.
my water level reduced during the night. So it's built up a bit of a layer on here. That sucks. Flip this. Fill this with more vinegar. And then we're gonna come back to it in about 10 minutes once this has fixed that problem. Damn it.
Here is the fantastic and finished product. This is a video from my TikTok, and unfortunately the audio didn't carry over. It's 328 grams. That is one heavy bit of rope dart. And we've got a banana for scale here so you can understand. Yeah, see? Banana for scale. Here it is, tied on the rope. I wish I had some video of me actually using this rope dart. Unfortunately, I cannot find it, so you're just going to have to do with Instructor Bensi, the person who this rope dart is for. It's really kind of like a rope dart / meteor hammer. This is the man that it went to, Instructor Bensi. Here you can see him holding it, and it performs very, very well. It's a little on the heavy side, as he indicates, and that's absolutely intentional. It's a combination meteor fist / rope dart, and it works beautifully well. Look at it destroying that ice. The tip is a little bit fine, but it does still punch through a door. Look at the door! That is unreal. I am super happy with this rope dart, and I'm going to be making many more.